The Thar Link Express is one of two international trains that connect India and Pakistan. Though not as famous as the Samjhauta Express, which connects Amritsar and Lahore in Punjab, this queen of the desert finds its own place in history. The people of Rajasthan in India and Sindh province in Pakistan have a lot in common. But the longing to visit a loved one across the border remained unfulfilled for most until February 2006, when the Thar Link Express first chugged along from Jodhpur to Karachi after 41 years. I'm Uday Singh Rana and I explore the Thar Link Express, which links fathers and daughters, grandmothers and grandchildren, and pilgrims and their places of worship. So come and explore stories untold with me. After passengers alight at Munabao railway station, which is the last Indian station on this rail link, they have to go through 8 grueling hours of immigration formalities. Rashid Mustafa from Karachi was visiting some relatives in Maximum City, Mumbai.
मैम आप कहाँ जा रही हैं आज? कराची जा रही हैं? अच्छा। आप रहने वाली कहाँ की?
कराची की।
अच्छा। कैसा रहा आपका इंडिया का दौरा?
अच्छा रहा।
कितना वक्त रहे थे आप यहाँ पे?
हम लोग 3 वीक्स।
कहाँ पे रहे?
हम बॉम्बे से रहे।
क्या नाम है आपका मैम?
रशीद मुस्तफा।
Mangto Ram is a devout Hindu from the city of Mirpur Khas in Pakistan. I have with me Hemi ji and Nunu ji and Mango Ram ji, who came to India to visit Haridwar so that they could get Ganga Jal. ये गंगा जल की क्या अहमियत है? उसको वापस क्यों लेकर जा रहे हैं?
ये इधर लेके जा रहे हैं कि वहाँ हम बैठ के अपने परिवार को मंगा के सबको भाव करेंगे। भाई हमने भगवान ने हिम्मत करी, हमने ये लेके आए आप परिवार को ये गंगा जल का।
तो सारे पूरे मोहल्ले में आप बांटेंगे, सबको देंगे?
हाँ।
तो जो लोग नहीं भी जा पाए?
हाँ।
Shatar Singh Soda, a resident of Umarkot city in Pakistan, Sindh province, is barely able to compose himself.
बस ये बात मैं कर नहीं सकूँगा क्योंकि थोड़ा मुश्किल टाइम है।
जैसे अपने आप तसल्ली से बोलो। कोई
बेटी बेटी होती है, जो जुदाई हुई है वो बर्दाश्त नहीं होती।
After all, he has left his 21-year-old daughter, his firstborn child, with her new husband and family in Rajasthan's Jalore. जाने से पहले कुछ नसीहत दी होगी आपने बेटी को, कुछ कहा होगा?
ज़ाहिर है कहा है कि भाई मैं अपना घर है, अभी इधर दिल लगाना है, भगवान ने चाहा तो मिल जाएंगे दोबारा।
He doesn't know when she will be able to return and meet her family again.
बहुत खुश हुए थे और बच्ची तो बच्ची होती है, किस्मत वाली होती है, तो हमारे ये था कि ये हमें महसूस आज हुआ कि अब से जुदा हो गई है। जब जुदाई है ना उसकी आती है तो हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, हम बाकी तो बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं। 2 साल कोशिश की, जब जाके मुश्किल से वीज़ा मिली और इतना लेंदी प्रोसीजर है कि हम अफोर्ड ही कोई नहीं कर सकता। जैसे पाकिस्तान में तो देखो कि कितनी फैसिलिटीज़ दी हुई है, कोई भी अप्लाई करता फ़ौरन हमारा कंट्री तो उनको वीज़ा दे देती है, लेकिन इंडिया वाले बहुत मुश्किल से वीज़ा देते हैं, तकलीफ से देते हैं।
Despite growing tensions and against all odds, the Thar Link Express continues to bring people on both sides of the border closer to each other. This 117-year-old British-era rail link is now a bridge across the desert for India and Pakistan. Behind me the gate is opening. That is the gate where India ends, and just 50 meters ahead of that Pakistan begins. That in the distance is Zero Point railway station, the first railway station in Pakistan. Ahead of me is Munabao railway station. Runs from the sands of the Thar desert to the heartland of the Sindh province in Pakistan, right up till Karachi. It's an old British era link from Jodhpur to Karachi, which was discontinued in 1965 after the Indo-Pakistan War. And finally, after a long wait in 2006, this rail link was reopened. The BSF personnel from the Indian side will escort the train to the Pakistani side. And over there, the Pakistan Rangers will shake hands with their BSF counterparts and take over the security of the train. There in the distance is a white pillar and there will be another pillar running just parallel to it. Now imagine that these are dots and connect those dots. There is a line running across these pillars. That is the official international boundary between the two nations of India and Pakistan. And now the train is going to cross over from India into Pakistan, and it will go all the way up till Karachi. Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications. This is India's Frontier Villages.